Physics, AP class, we just want to pass. Newton has some laws, motion, force, and speed. Kinematics, free fall with a falling break. Remember your equations, acceleration, kinetic and potential, energy's essential. Look here at this page, U equals mgh. Periodic motion, woo, tiny angle, I love you. Oscillation, loud, let's go. Pendulums assemble. Physics with Dr. Rossow. Take a quiz on Thursday, have a lab the next day. Studies just to pass. Homework in online, the textbook breaks our spine. Period, frequency, total, gravity, tension, vectors, omega is L over G. Planets are sensational, stones are rotational. Earth, moon, sun, Mars, they are gravitational. Walk on an incline to find the x, you use sine, friction, and n times mu. This is how you get through. Bouncy balls are meters thick, let us show you this trick. Drop a ball, no height, longest slab you'll ever write. Rotation and motion, radians are now chosen. Inertia is mr squared with hollow sphere, 2/3 is paired. Temperature, hot and cold, been learning chapters further faster. What else could he have in store? I can't take it anymore. Physics with Dr. Rossow. Take a quiz on Thursday, have a lab the next day. Goodbye to Dr. Rossow. Even when we're gone, we will still learn on and on.